How would you like to save payroll taxes at no net cost to the organization, all while offering additional benefits with no reduction in pay to the employees? Well, ABC Insurance Trust can help you and your employees do just that. We do this by using the Self-Insured Medical Expense Reimbursement Treasury Code, SIMRP, and the Health and Wealth Program. Let's say you have 50 employees. By using the Health and Wealth Program, you can save up to $25,000 annually on payroll taxes and potentially a reduction of up to $500,000 from taxable payroll. That's a lot of savings. It's an IRS, ERISA, HIPAA, and ACA compliant program allowing you to save more and give back to your employees. How does it work? Let's take a look at Mario's situation. Mario's a full-time W-2 employee who works 40 hours and makes $1,600 bi-weekly. He pays $254 each paycheck into multiple tax buckets. The SIMRP program allows him to take $800 out of his paycheck pre-tax. And then, in the same period, get a reimbursement for the same $800 after tax, increasing Mario's total pre-tax amount, thus reducing all amounts from the multiple tax buckets while at the same time creating payroll tax savings for the employer. Using the SIMRP strategy frees up after-tax dollars for Mario to put towards benefits like life insurance, dental, vision, disability, and other voluntary benefits. ABC Insurance Trust can help you navigate the requirements so you can give back to your employees, save money, and offer better benefits. Ready to take the next step? Contact us today at 800-621-2993 and we can show you how much we can add back to your bottom line.